Today is the day we wake up before the sun comes up, because we shall ride, or try and ride, Flight of Passage. The sun's coming up now over there, but we were up before it and rushed to Animal Kingdom. There it is.
And you have a shower.
Sun coming up, ready to meet us. Up early today.
Yep.
Ooh, blur. Ooh, doot, doot, doot. Fogging up. But you look good. Good job getting ready.
Thanks. I don't feel
I'm sure we'll get awake. You're just trying to work yourself up.
That's it.
We were on time, and then our Uber was late, and then he drove very slowly.
I was ready.
You were ready. You did a good job.
Everyone knows that I was ready. We're ready to go. And our Uber driver screwed us over and was super duper slow.
He was very slow.
Ages. And because of that, we're now gonna have to wait in a big ass line for Pandora.
Yeah. Yeah, right. I mean, it was always going to be a big. It was always going to be a big line, though. Let's be fair.
Yeah, I know, but
it could be.
The difference between us getting there on time and us getting here now
it's probably like half an hour.
was the space of 25 minutes.
Yeah.
It's probably half an hour now. So, bad Uber driver.
Anyway, we're here. Hooray!
Huzzah.
Good morning, Tree of Life.
Morning.
Thanks for bringing life to us. And the trees. And the animals. And the peoples.
Oh Lord.
Anyway, good morning, Animal Kingdom, with your nice music and your calmness, apart from the people running, and just, it's a lovely temperature right now. Yeah.
Very nice.
It's a very nice temperature. So, Animal Kingdom's nice.
Long may it last. Forever and ever.
Forever and ever. So we made it. He was at the bridge in Africa, and they said it was 45-50 minutes. So we'll see. It normally goes quite quickly in the morning, like into the ride and stuff. Anyway,
Until it breaks down.
Until it breaks down. It's not gonna break down.
To me.
Yeah, but that's you. Anyway, take this opportunity to show you the outfit of the day.
We've got flamingos going today.
We got flamingos. We're bounding for Kilimanjaro Safaris, which we're going on next. And then to match the old flamingo dress, we have flamingo ears.
Yep. Oh. You know me, I'm a matchy girl.
You are a matchy. And then matchy makeup.
Yep.
So, pretty good, flamingos and pinks and things.
Yep.
But we're moving.
Yeah, steadily moving. Keep going.
And this Q is giving us a great shot of the floating mountains. So, thanks Q. Looking good. One cool thing about being in the line out here is it makes you have a look around, and you have to just stand and like look at all the cool stuff. Go under the floating mountains, and I mean, I know you've all seen Pandora before, but it's nice just to be able to like stand in it, or be forced to stand in it and have a look around at things. I think so.
Avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Help us out and move around a bit. Almost. Yes, got him. Now, let's find you your avatar matches.
You got them. 5 and 6. They look exactly like us. Hi.
We have one Ponzu Lumpia, we have one Rum Blossom. They just poured Bacardi directly on top.
Yeah,
This is slightly terrifying.
yeah, they just made a night blossom and then just poured rum on top, and the rum was just sitting on top. So now you have to mix
it doesn't look very pretty because I've had to mix it, and now it looks like dishwater. But I'm slightly scared.
It probably won't taste like rum until you get to it.
I can't taste rum yet.
Probably not, it'll all be at the end. You have to keep mixing it.
It's nice though.
Sure
Can't taste rum.
Anyway. Oh yeah, very sweet. Anyway, how was light passage?
I love light passage. It's so good. I've come out like crying before. I didn't cry today, so that was an accomplishment.
It's weird, normally I've been alright, but towards the end of it it's starting to feel a bit sick. So I don't know if it's still the ice cream from yesterday. Normally I'm okay, but like start to it I'm very sick, so.
Maybe because my stomach's still a bit not quite right.
Yeah.
So maybe. Damn you, kitchen sink. Having your revenge.
And we were going to eat our Ponzu Lumpia. Remember we made these at home for a 4-day, or 4-part challenge?
Right.
I shall see who did it better. Oh, it is really good though. It is a bit different. It's more like
this is sweeter.
Yeah. And mine was crispier. This is more like a sort of almost pancake like batter stuff rather than muffins.
Goes everywhere.
They're good. Right, so to Kilimanjaro Spires. So we're just standing there, eating our food, drinking our drink, and then a reporter came over and started asking any about our ears.
Yeah, he's from the Orlando Sentinel.
I know. I don't know what that is, but...
I know, I've seen articles from the Orlando Sentinel.
Oh really? It's kind of a big deal.
Yeah, they do. They do lots of pieces on Walt Disney World and stuff, so that's cool.
Right, so they're going to post about your ears up, or about other people's ears as well, but...
Yeah.
Right, okay, Africa.
But,
because that's the entrance for like...
I'm going to be in it, as are my ears.
Hooray!
Which I'm kind of like, I do really like these ears, but I'm nearly like, they're not the best pair that I have. But that's cool.
Yeah.
Fantasy Ear Emporium.
On the up.
On the up and up, eh?
Hey, Anya.
Yeah.
What animal are you most looking forward to?
The cheetahs.
Oh, we had a good view of the cheetahs last time actually.
Always the cheetahs.
Always the cheetahs.
We've gotten in earlier this time, so hopefully
we'll get some more cheetahs.
They might be more animal.
Yeah. I am looking forward to the elephants and the giraffes. And the rhinos. But
You know what else I'm looking forward to?
what?
Nomad Lounge.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go try and get in there after.
I mean, if we finish up here,
Yeah.
we can not go to Nemo. I'll just cancel the lightning day and we can go to Nomad Lounge because they don't close at 11.
Okay, yeah, we can do that. Nomad Lounge is nice. Plus, and you're still tired. You were woken up a little bit, but
Oh no, I'm more awake.
you're awake now. Thanks, Joe Rody, for waking up, Anya.
Well, I'm really excited because you've said how amazing Nomad Lounge is.
Oh, it's nice. Yeah.
And you can get a drink there that has a light up Lotus. We all know me and my light up stuff.
We do, yeah.
Jumbo, everyone, and welcome
Okay.
to Kilimanjaro
Let's
Safari.
load our safari
In
truck.
order to keep your wait time to a minimum, we ask that
It was a pretty good safari.
It was very good.
I've never seen the warhogs before.
No?
So, first time I've seen those.
Oh, I've seen them. I've seen them like running about.
Really?
Yeah.
And we got the elephant, I didn't catch it, but there was two of them kind of like mucking about.
Yep.
And then they start trampling each other, so.
And the guide was like, that's the first time I've ever heard this from it.
I know.
That's cool.
Yeah. So it was a good start. Anyway, we're on the gorilla walking trail now. So we'll see some gorillas, but also other monkeys and other animals. There's monkeys right here. But they're just sleeping because it's hot.
Yeah, I don't think.
No, I would be sleeping too.
He's like, look,
This guy up here, he's like, oh, I'll move a little bit, but...
no, look, the one on the bridge. He had his head like stuck down.
Oh yeah, there's one just up here as well. But it's hard to see in the sun. Anyway.
Look, he's like, hello, looking through the bridge.
Hello. All I guess, it's just dark. Hello, monkey. I don't know what type of monkeys these are.
Halibus monkeys.
Halibus. Hello, halibus.
Halibus.
Halibus. Hello, Mr. Snake. You'll be having a good day. I don't know if you can see all these nests, but I've never noticed them having nests in here before. And they're up kind of like, I don't know if they're just building them, probably. But it must be nesting season, there's loads of them.
Yeah.
Cool.
They're making a lot of racket.
They are making a lot of racket. This guy up here is having a good go, he's putting it together. Don't want that bit there, that bit's not nice. Yeah, we've made it to the gorillas. This guy's just over here sleeping. And then this little guy up here, he's chilling out. So, I like the gorillas. It's quite interesting to see when they're moving around. It's just having a great time, chilling out. Stretching out his feet. I don't know why his hands are in that funny position, but he's having a good time. This little guy's coming to play. Oh, he's going behind the rock now.
He says, it's too hot here. I shall move to shade.
Yeah.
And I don't blame him.
I don't blame him either. We're on the bridge and it's rocking around. But there's the big silverback. Me getting breakfast.
Is it, or is it more nesting material?
And they only nest in the evening, I thought. Get like,
yeah, but they can make it now.
Yeah, hold it. Yeah. Just finding the good bits. Alright, I managed to get I don't know, we joined the walk-up list. It's like a return time, so they said it's an hour. I'll come back an hour and 15 minutes, basically. But they're going to send Anya a text, and we're now going into Nemo.
Yep.
Under the Sea with Nemo and Friends.
The Big Blue and Beyond.
Yeah, it's the show. The new show. Well, we've not seen this one.
No, we've not seen this one, so...
You can't sing along.
That's what it's like.
I mean, you might sing along anyway, but...
Most important thing, air conditioning.
Also, Lightning Lane, which makes no difference, but yay! Hey, look how close we are. Lightning Lane, yay! So you're here, and then they'll come and do stuff here.
Yeah.
So normally sit for the back.
Yeah, back there.
I've listened to the other one once, like a long time ago. So
I like this show.
you like everything,
Maybe.
but it's not this show anymore. It's not different. So
We'll see.
anyway, great
Still
view.
like it.
Still like it. Great view.
Yeah.
It's just there.
You traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star. Yeah, but you're exactly where you're meant to be. So grab some shell and serve the hazy with me. Oh, careful. But remember to have fun. Everybody find the money. Nemo, that means you.
Wait, there's something I forgot to do. Love you, Dad.
I love you too, son. Now go. Have an adventure. In the big blue world. We're gonna go explore. In the big blue world. Things we've never seen before. What's waiting out there? We can never know. In the big blue world. We're ready to go.
Bye, Dory. Bye, Dad.
Bye, son.
Alright, we made Nomad Lounge. Hooray, it's very nice. It's very well done, but they used to have a cool book that gave you like the history of how they made it and everything, and they've got rid of it, which is sad. But, do you like it? They're far. You have to have a wander inside, but I think it's nicer outside than inside. What do you think of the Big Blue World?
Oh, it was good, but I miss Nigel, because Nigel was always my favourite part. You can certainly tell it's condensed.
So yeah,
And
I thought it
there's
was.
a lot less actors in it.
I thought it was a new show, but it's just the same, but with less
No,
bits in
they've
it.
just cut out loads of bits.
Yeah, because you knew all the
I tried
songs.
to
So.
make it. Oh, there's bits from Dory.
Oh, okay.
And it's not. It's that they mentioned the Marine Life Institute. That's it. That is the only thing.
Oh well. But
Yeah.
I thought it was nice.
It's good, but it feels like another Chamber of Commerce.
Yeah, just kind of back for money. Anyway, it was a nice air conditioned half hour while we wait for here.
More than anything.
Alright, I got the Congalouche, and this is the spiced beer that's made specially for here and Skipper Canteen. Or so Enya tells me. And
As far as I know, that's the only place you can get it.
especially made for Disney anyway. So, and you got the Lotus
And a
Flower.
Parmesan.
Yeah, but this is the one we made on our
Yes.
4-part challenge, but
Yes,
it's
we did.
got the flour in it, so you can take that home.
Yeah, that was it. I said that they were out of them,
Yeah, I know.
and then I was really disappointed. It's very herby.
Oh yeah.
It's nice, it's refreshing, but there's a lot of herbs. It kind of reminds me of the
Drinking Galaxy's Edge.
The green Galaxy's Edge, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's slightly more fruity than that one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's good. I like it. Congaloosh.
Smells like ale. It's spicy and sort of like almost fruity as well. I think it is like lime or something in it. And then pardon me, maybe a little bit same. It's interesting. It's good. It's definitely worth trying like beer.
I didn't realize it was cheese.
Our food's arrived, this is why he's making faces. So we have the
So this is pork belly,
pork belly with
a little kind of muffin thing, and a poached egg.
yeah.
Hold on.
Just gonna get the menu.
Okay, so it's chorizo goat cheese biscuit
Right.
with a soft poached egg,
Yep.
honey chili glazed pork belly, and a tasso gravy.
Yeah, you can't see the pork belly that much, but it looks very good.
If I do that, can you
Okay,
see it?
now we've got the shot.
There you
There you
go.
go. That's the Instagram right there.
Oh yeah, don't worry, I will take pictures. Then we have
Something sliders.
the Cuban frita sliders.
Yep.
Beef and pork patties with crispy shoestring potatoes, and Mojo yuca fries.
Oh yeah, there's a little bit of potatoes under there.
Yeah.
That's some crisp. And the fries. What is it? I don't know what that vegetable is. Yuzu. It's like
Yuca.
oh yeah, it's like a. I think it's a cross between a radish and a turnip type thing. It's a root vegetable.
I've
Anyway.
not had it, but it looked good.
Yep.
And then
This is the bread.
The bread.
I'm most excited about because bread's amazing.
So she said it was a coconut milk bread.
Coconut milk bread. I'm excited for that one. You're
And
excited
then
for this one.
They have the Brazilian cheese bread. She's like, this is the one you get in Epcot, and I thought,
I've not had it, so if it's that good, we might need to go and buy it.
I love that.
And then there's some popcorn crisps underneath.
And then she said this is a pear and mango chutney.
Pear and ginger
Pear and
chutney.
ginger.
Guava,
dipping sauce.
yeah, and
this is a coconut curry.
cream. Coconut curry cream, yeah.
Yeah.
So, looks good.
This all looks amazing.
We're just having the best time, just sort of relaxing here. It's like Animal Kingdom's just like over there, but here
Completely shut off.
you could be anywhere. It's proper chilled and
It's so calm and so fantastic.
yeah,
Also, this is getting better.
it's like layered, yeah.
It's like layered. So now there's less of a herby taste, and you get more of the passion fruit, more of the ginger beer. It's very good.
Sorry, I have my mouth full, but that pork belly is delicious. This says gravy, but it's like an incredibly good beef stew. And then this biscuit's really good. And obviously, if you're into egg pork, that's what it's all about. You like? Just making a good face.
It's really good.
The pork belly is really, really good.
It's all good.
This, and like in the bowl, this pork belly is so good. Yeah,
Really, 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 really good.
yeah. Really, really delicious. I mean, I think it was like $16, which in the current exchange rate is terrible. So it's like 13, 14 quid. So if you're paying that, but it is really good, and you're at Disney, so
It's a different story. You gotta take it out. You're at Disney. You're just gonna enjoy yourself.
yeah.
We're obviously going next level because we've not been here in so many years. Other than we're going overboard. I would never probably do this much, but we've decided to do that. We've worked hard for it. That's what we're gonna do. If it's a case of you're budgeting out, look at it in regards to your own budget, how you feel it's going to be worth it for you guys, and if this is a worthwhile thing. That's all I can say. But for us, it's fantastic.
It's delicious. We should buy it. These yuca chips. It's terrible remembering. They're crispy, but they're not a huge amount of flavour, but they're good. But the
I think
ketchup,
they've got a good level of flavour.
well, not massive. I don't know, more than potatoes, but less than curry. But the ketchup is really nicely spiced, and it's a little bit tangy, but in a very good way. They're really good. It's good looking in the face. These are the pork beef sliders with the shoestring potatoes, and again the spices in there are really, really good. Everything's sort of African-y type themed in here, so they've all got like good amount of spice and flavour. But
So good. I do want to put a little bit of that ketchup on.
oh, I think it'd be excellent with the ketchup.
I do want some.
Yeah, definitely do it.
I think there's a little bit of sauce maybe.
Enya's a saucy girl.
I like sauce.
This is really good ketchup though. Someone's put the cheese bread in their mouth. These are like really dense and heavy, and they're full of cheese.
I'll do the tear for you.
You can do the tear. Do the tear. It's just like the cheese. It looks incredible. And that one goes with the guava.
It's amazing, guava.
The coconut, the coconut bread was also incredible. Pop Toms were really good. Coconut bread was, I think, better with the coconut sauce.
Yeah.
It's really, really nice.
Papadoms were really good. The chutney was really good.
Yeah.
It's just like, you kind can't compare bread to hot dog.
No, it's true.
It's just like, you just can't.
And how's the guava?
This is amazing.
Yeah. This is so happy. Bread, cheese, it's just more things.
I will record you having some.
Okay.
Then I come after you.
All right. Oh, it just smells like cheese. I like
It's amazing.
crispy bread on the outside, and the inside's like the dough is worked into the cheese, so it's kind of a
It's just dough and cheese.
really doughy, but well cooked as well. But then it's just full of cheese.
It's amazing. It's amazing. I told you. Get in there. Dunk it all good.
And then it's got like layers as well. Like initially it's just sweet, and then you get different layers of the fruit coming through, and then the spices come through afterwards. And it's all mixed in with this like dough. It's almost like a texture of like either noodles or something in your mouth, but it's really, really good. It sounds weird,
Yeah.
but it's delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, no wonder you get excited about this.
Exactly.
We got some heavy rain. Oh, you smell it?
Oh no, how terrible.
Yeah. It's coming through. It feels cooler instantly, and you can smell the rain coming through.
But experience the moment of that.
But we're here just living our best lives, eating cheese bread. Highly recommend coming to Nomad Lounge, even if you just get like a couple of drinks, or even like non-alcoholic drinks, because then they're quite cheap. But it's really nice.
They do have a to-go window / bar.
You take it.
But honestly, I know it's a long wait, but we were quoted 75 minutes. We went off, we saw the Nemo show, and we came back. You have time to do things in that bit, but honestly, just sitting here in the calm. I mean, I said it was calm. It's all of these people have now turned up who are trying to get in and are basically just covering from the rain. But before that, it's just calm. It's peaceful. It's amazing. You don't feel like you're in a theme park at all, and it's completely worth it. So yes, if you are just like, oh, I just want the food, do the to-go, but honestly, I think for the whole experience, just wait it out, get a table. So it's still raining quite heavily out, but they came over and they were like, if you want, we can close over the curtain for you, which I think is just so lovely. It's so nice. But we're good. I'm just getting a little bit of mist, but it's nice. It's cooling me down. But for the most exciting thing is we have a new set of drinks.
Yep.
I've got the Leaping Lizard, which is pineapple rum and tropical juice and I think lime. I'm not entirely sure, but it's meant to be, if it would focus, there we go. It's meant to be his little face on the top, which is very cute. And then, what did you get, Bob?
I got the Lamu Libation,
Lamu Libation.
which is African rum, banana rum, guava, puree, orange juice, pineapple juice, and then it's topped with some more rum, which is a different colour.
That's why she was like, I'll give you a straw because that rum on top packs a punch. So I think this is definitely a mixer.
Yeah, probably give it a go, but I mean, it's going to be, it's just like rum on top, isn't it? So, yep.
You should have listened to her.
We're going to move the straw.
Yeah. Give it a mixy mix. Yeah, there you go. Okay, Bob, so what do you think of your Lamu Libation? Basically rum on rum on rum.
There's 3 types of rum in it. It's good. It's very adult, shall we say. No, it's tasty. It's like, it's got the orange and guava, so it's kind of a little bit sweet, but not a huge amount. So it's quite good.
It's okay. I knocked it, but it's alright.
So it's good. It's very, yeah, not super sweet, but it's a nice rummy drink.
My Leafy Blizzard is sweet, tropical juice. You're like, oh, this is nice. And then at the end of it, you're like, ooh, there's some rum in there. But you don't get it until you've had that initial like taste. You don't get it, and then just at the end it like lingers. But very nice drink. I do quite like yours though.
We can share.
This is also very good.
It's interesting because you don't like banana, and this has banana rum in it.
But you don't get banana in it.
Not a huge amount, no.
But yeah, both very good. All of them so far really good.
There's some more rain. These people are all hiding from it. We're enjoying ourselves. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's nice. It's heavy rain. So we went for another drink, and you got this one again because she wanted another.
It's still raining.
It is still raining. You're right.
So
I think it's stopped a little bit now, but
no, it's still raining. It's still raining quite a bit. I can see it.
so you can see it.
Yeah.
You wanted another one of these, so you got the.
Well, so I looked
Drink
at the
again.
other drinks, and there was one other drink that I was considering trying, but it was like $1 more to get this one with the Lotus Plus.
And you want the Lotus Blossom, so.
I want all of the glow cubes because I want to have a good array of glow cubes in my home bar. So I decided to go for it for the sake of $1 more, and I know it's a good drink as well. Why not?
And I went for the
Night Monkey.
Night Monkey.
Yeah.
So as rum, guava, coffee, simple syrup, lime juice, and coriander. So it sounds quite interesting.
It sounds very interesting.
And these little bits floating on top, which sound weird. It won't focus. Anyway, they're like little bits of coffee beans. So interesting.
We also have churros on the way.
Oh, we ordered the churros. I mean, because they're a must.
Yeah.
Smells like fucking guava. What's in it?
I was waiting for the ooh.
The coffee's more of an aroma. You smell it as you're drinking it, but it's not really a strong flavour.
Okay.
You initially get dark rum, like quite strong dark rum.
Yeah.
And then it's instantly cut through
The guava?
and then just the lime comes on the end. I haven't really got any coriander, but not really, but it's good. It's funny, it's like really strong rum, and then all of a sudden it's just sweet here. It's nice, it's good.
Do you think I should try it?
I think you should try it.
Yeah?
I'd say it's more an aroma than a taste. So.
Okay. Okay. I'll take your word for it.
And yet to taste. She hates coffee, so we'll see.
Smell coffee.
Yeah, it's a strong coffee smell.
There is a coffee taste on the end of it.
Yeah, but it's not. But it's.
It's not an immediate, but there is a coffee taste at the end. It's really weird. But it's not a super strong. It's really weird.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's definitely, it changes quite a lot, and it's raining again.
That's very interesting. I still prefer mine, but that's not terrible.
Yeah, it's good. It's definitely an
And as
interesting
someone
one.
who does really not like coffee, I'm very surprised. But it was the same with the beer.
Yeah.
I drank that beer, and I do not like beer. Usually I do what we term the sky face.
After he's licked something plastic.
After he's licked something plastic, he goes, and that's usually my face when I have beer. But the Congalush, I was like, actually, that's not too bad. It wouldn't be something I would pick, but if I was given it, I would probably quite happily drink it.
Yeah.
So yeah, so Nomad Lounge is winning with all of these beverage.
With the churros are here with a coffee cream and a vanilla cream. So these do the strawberry chili, didn't it? because that's what we had on our 4-part challenge.
Yeah.
But now it's a coffee cream, so you're a bit disappointed, but the churros are still, they're like one of the big things, and they're gluten-free.
Yeah.
So, you give them a go?
Oh, I'll give it a go, but I won't be doing the coffee.
No, you don't taste the coffee one. Churro, dip into
Vanilla, crème
Basically.
anglaise.
just custard, basically. And that's a churro.
There's so much cinnamon sugar on that.
Good, because I love cinnamon sugar.
Wow. This is basically like you take cinnamon toast crunch and like a Cinnabon and mix them together.
Oh, okay.
Because it's so crispy crunchy, but you get like more of the like true cinnamon flavor
Yeah.
of Cinnabon. It's good.
Churros are incredible.
Is my analogy of cinnamon toast crunch cereal mixed with the cinnamon correct?
I don't think I've ever had cinnamon toast crunch. So.
It's like cinnamon grahams.
Oh yeah. They're
Yeah.
horrible.
Yeah, but it's that level of like
Crispiness,
Yeah.
cinnamon, and then cinnamon. It's really good, and the coffee dip it's really strong coffee, and then just basically cinnamon.
you should try the vanilla.
It's really good.
Oh yeah, just by itself it's good.
I think vanilla's the winner.
Yeah.
The coffee's good, but it takes over this quite a lot. I like the cinnamon just complements it actually.
The vanilla complements the cinnamon.
The vanilla complements cinnamon. Yeah. Yeah, it's really good.
Also, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like it's started like really heavily raining again. Yeah, So, how terrible! We have to stay here longer. Oh no! What a burden we lead.
Hard. Say in 10 minutes, but we will see. Who knows? Anyway, we're gonna
It
go.
has been raining, so
It's been raining very heavily, so
I think a lot of people just bolted at the park,
yeah. Well, I mean, we were in Nomad Lounge for about 3 hours.
and it was fantastic.
It was a great experience. It was expensive. Let's not talk about that. So we had great fun in Nomad Lounge.
Yeah, but if we'd have gone to like Tiffin's or something for dinner,
Oh, it would have cost more than that,
it
yeah.
would have cost more than that. So it's all relative.
Ooh. Right, we can book our safari in here. Ooh, book an office. Your journey will be aboard Simba 1. Great, because I've only ever been on Simba 2. So yeah, Nomad Lounge was really, really good. And we were going to go to Epcot, and then we saw this was a 10-minute wait, and it's been raining heavily, so...
We're hoping that some of the animals will be a bit more active.
It's raining again now. Or is that just the fan?
No, I think it's just what.
There's lots of drips and stuff. It's been pretty heavy. Basically, the whole time we were in Nomad Lounge was on and off heavy rain.
Yeah.
So nailed it without time to go in. Anyway, hopefully we'll get some good animals. And correct, in your 10 minutes is very much just a walk on. So, winning coming here.
Those black rhinos can weigh up to about 3,000 pounds, and they can charge up to 35 miles an hour. One of the larger colonial birds, they can be in nests of up to 500
The ducks in there
pairs
eating
in
as
that
well.
one nest.
Of course they are.
They're hard to see, but if you can see them, they're some of the African wild dogs. They're one of the most successful hunters. They have about an 80% success rate with really long, prehensile tongues to reach all those leaves. The tongues of the giraffe are also a little bit of a different color than our human tongues. They're kind of a dark purple sort of shade, and that dark purple coloration helps them keep protected from the sunlight as they eat for about 20 hours out of their day.
Imagínate los cornudos que estaban allá con toda la carne que tienen. Los árabes muchos tienen de esta,
Como animal de doméstico.
algunos tienen mucho, pero ves, con arroz y estas cosas. Sí, mira, elegancia.
Female lioness from on this other side of the copie. Those females are the ones who typically do most of the hunting for their pride. The males will stay back and keep their cubs safe from any potential threats that may be. Lioness right at the very edge of the copy. The shaggier animals that are up on top of the hill there. Also some of the water buck, very fond of water, just as the name suggests. She's trying to follow that truck. Looks like she's staying over there, so we're gonna go ahead and pass right next to her here. Once again, folks, don't make noises at these animals. We also got some of the ostrich eggs over here on the right-hand side.
That was a fun safari.
It was a very good safari. The cheetahs were out and they were walking around and it was magical.
I filmed one and I filmed a complete blurry mess another time.
Yeah.
Anyway, they were cool though. We got lots of cheetahs, and Enya's favourite animal is cheetahs.
Yeah.
So that was good.
We also got stopped numerous times because the rhinos were out everywhere.
I think it was a baby rhino. We kept walking and he was very close to walking across the road in front of us.
Yeah. We also had absolute idiots on our safari with us who started whistling.
Oh my god.
While we were
the baby rhino was right next to it, and her mum was over just glaring at us. These morons were just whistling at the rhino, and you were like, ooh.
If they'd have kept going, I honestly think she would have hit the truck.
Yeah.
Like, hand on heart. She was not happy.
If you're ever on a safari and there's a rhino glaring at you, do not whistle at a baby.
No. They were right up alongside us. You could get really good photos anyway. It's just they wanted a dead-on photo, so they whistled.
Yeah. They got a good picture of the mum glaring at us.
Oh yeah. I've got a good picture of the mum glaring at us. God.
But it was good. So definitely, if it's been raining, get on safari, because it was still a 10-minute wait. I think it's a 10-minute wait now.
Yeah.
I think it did rain heavily for 3 hours while we were in Nomad Lounge.
Yeah, so I think a lot of people have bailed.
And also Everest's back up now. And
is it?
Yeah, it's got half an hour wait.
Oh.
But it's been down the entire day, so I think everyone who's left has gone there.
Maybe.
Anyway, we're off to see if we can find some tigers since the weather's been so good for animals.
Exactly. I'm hoping the tigers might be out because it's now cooled down.
Yeah.
They're also meant to be more active come the evening.
True.
They said that to us before when we were on the trail. But yeah, fingers crossed we get some tigers.
Thanks for visiting. You're welcome. We had a great time. It's a really good time seeing some tigers. Well, one tiger.
One tiger.
One
they
tiger.
died last year apparently.
I know, and then you got chatting to the zookeeper man. He's not zookeeper, is he? Cast member.
Who was on the trail.
Yeah, trail keeper.
He was a veterinarian for 20 years.
Yep.
And he used to vaccinate the circus tigers.
I know. Until he realised it was cruel and he said he stopped doing it. But
and also when one nearly ripped off his face.
Yeah. It was interesting.
Yeah, so we got to have a chat with him.
Doc.
Yeah.
What a nice guy.
It was really
Really
nice.
He lives an interesting life.
Yeah. I think he appreciated the fact that I was able to chat to him about certain things.
Yeah, exactly.
But it was really good, and she's beautiful.
Yeah, oh yeah. She was in the water and then just wandering around for a little while. Anyway, so then she paced for a bit because she wanted to go home. We're going that way?
This way.
No, this way. So he was like, it's time for her to go to bed now. So he called it in. Yeah. And said she wants to go because apparently they just she'll kind of let them know when she wants to go to bed, and they let her in.
Like a dog.
It's time for me to go to bed now.
Scratch on door.
Pretty much.
I want in now.
Yeah. Anyway, so now we're
Sky won't do that because Sky's not smart enough to know how to do that.
No.
It just sit there.
So we're going to say goodbye to Animal Kingdom and we're going to go over to Food and Wine and try and taste some treats.
Because, you know, we need more treats.
Oh yeah.
More treats and more drinks.
Been there reserved today. And just getting some food for Fantasylandia Emporium. Very important. But we got some pictures, and because Enya's flamingo, we did flamingo. Flamingo picture. Ka-ching! Camera noise.